y'all, welcome back to Ukulele Wine Time. My name is Catherine. We're gonna play Wheels on the Bus and we just need 2 chords for this song, C and G. Let's dive in. Ukulele Wine Time. Don't forget to tune G, C, E, A before you jump into trying to play this song. If you need a little walkthrough of the chords, check out this video. I take you step by step where to put your fingers, how to play these chords, if you need that little review. Otherwise, this is part of my Easy Kid Song series. I've put together 10 songs, perfect for beginners, great to play with your kids, or if you're just a beginner on the ukulele, or if you're trying to play and sing songs on your ukulele. This is great for that. I also have a printable book down below where it has all of these songs you can print out, put in a binder, make notes, whatever. Okay, let's jump into the song. So we're gonna start with C on the wheels on the bus go round and round. So the first line, we're just chilling on C for that whole time. And then the next round and round, we switch to G and then back to C. Round and round. Let's try that together. So it's the wheels on the bus go round and round. Switch to G. Round and round. Round and round. And then it does that again. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Back to G. All through the town. And it's basically that the whole song. So each little repeated verse, it's that same thing. So let's try that one more time all together in time. And I'm just doing a simple downstroke with my thumb. The wheels. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. And it's the same for the subsequent verses. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Ooh, swish, swish, swish is really hard to say, especially if you've had a couple sips of wine. That's a little tricky. If you're new here, my name is Catherine. This is Ukulele Wine Time, where ukulele for beginners and we drink wine while we're doing it. So if that's your vibe, if you're finding this video helpful, I hope you'll cheers the like button below. It really helps out my little channel, and I hope that you'll subscribe for more Ukulele Wine Time. Okay, let's talk about how to level up this song. So if you want a little bit more rhythm in your strumming pattern, you could try the wheels on the bus go round and round. So adding more downstrokes in. So it's getting more into our heartbeat of the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. The wheels on the bus go round and round. And now to G. Round and round. Round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. All through the town. If we're counting that, here's how that sounds. C. 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, now to G, G, 2, back to C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, back to G, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. If you want to level it up from there, you can add a little more variety to your strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So try that with me to start. Down, down, up, down, down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round have it. Wheels on the Bus. In a nutshell. Starting pitch for Wheels on the Bus. So we are in the key of C. That means C is 1. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do. So that's wheels. But for the, we need to go do, ti, la, so, so, do. The wheels, or G, C. So your G, this is a high G on the ukulele, so it's an octave below that. The wheels on the bus. If that's tricky for you to do that octave jump, you could just focus on the wheels on the bus and just know that you start on that C. Check out my Easy Kid Song series for more songs just like this. If you want to sing and play, maybe you want to play more songs for your kids. Either way, I hope to see you soon, and cheers. Ukulele wine time.